Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a purchase order on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Invoices and tap on Purchase Order, which is the third option. Then click on the plus icon in the upper right corner, tap on Purchase Order number 1 and you can set the number. Then the date can be selected and the status. After that you should add the client's name and then add its email address and address. Tap on Save. Then you should type in the product's code and description. Tap on Next at the top. Then you should set the quantity and the rate. Click on the button Done. Here you can see payment details. You can add your comment if you have any, and you can add attachments such as selecting one from your gallery, Dropbox, iCloud, or you can capture it with your camera. And if you are done, tap on the send button to forward it via email or print it out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.